What is up guys, it is your boy Mining Monkey 1. Today I will be revealing how I make my thumbnails for free online with a step-by-step tutorial. Comment down below if you want me to do another tutorial on how I made my profile picture, intro, or videos in general. If you find this helpful, please subscribe. Please note this doesn't really work on most mobiles. The first step is to Google Pixlr.com, there is a link in the description. This is completely free to use and doesn't ask for any details. Once you are on this screen here, you want to click Advanced Pixlr and select Create New. The dimensions for a YouTube thumbnail is always 1280 by 720, so click this one. You can now put a title and then click Create. Now that you are at this screen, the first thing to do is find a cool background. I usually like to use a cosmic one. Once you find a good background, you have to save it to your computer. You can then go back on Pixlr and import it by going on Layer and open Image as Layer. Next you need to add a title by clicking on this icon and clicking Add Text. The title needs to be as short as possible so it can stand out. I like to use the font Amaranth as it is nice and bold. Also it is important to add a thick outline by going on Styles. The next step is adding drama. I like to use a shocked emoji. You can right-click on layers and lock them so you do not move them accidentally, such as the background. To remove the background, select the magic wand tool and click on the background, then press delete. You also have to click off the image to get rid of the highlighted area. You can also add other faces to add charisma, such as this person here. Once finished, you can go to File and Save, where you can save it to wherever you want. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe if this helped you at all. Submit your video ideas for a shout out. Videos are every other day.